Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi problems on iPhone Air. To fix Wi-Fi problems that you may have, first step is to simply slide down from the right top part of the screen, or maybe let's do it for the settings. It's gonna be more convenient, I think. Maybe less convenient, but more universal for everyone. Yeah, and there's airplane mode, and you should enable it. Wait for 30 seconds and then disable it again. So it reconnects. It's gonna just refresh your Wi-Fi module on your phone, and it may help you fix some issues with that. So I'm gonna now disable the airplane mode, and let's wait until it connects to Wi-Fi. Okay, now if it doesn't work, or if it didn't reconnect, then you should try going to Wi-Fi on your phone. In the settings, of course, then on your network, click on the icon right here. And if you don't have it listed here, then click on edit and you'll have it listed here. Click on the then forget this network, forget. Now go back, go to Wi-Fi and try reconnecting. We're gonna try re-entering the password. Let's see if it's possible. Of course, there's a chance it may not work still, but it's worth trying. Make sure that your Wi-Fi password is correct, because if it's incorrect, it's not gonna connect. Now, restart your router. If you have that possibility, it would be great if you did that, because it may fix the issue. Also restart your phone. So to do it, press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons until you see this screen. When you see it, slide to power off like that, and wait for half a minute. And after half a minute, try turning your phone on again. So let's wait. Now let's try turning it on. Okay, I think I waited too short because Apple logo isn't showing up, so let's try again. Yeah, okay, when there's Apple logo, we can release the button and wait. Now, the next thing to try is to check for software updates on your phone. And now you won't be able to check for software updates if you don't have internet. So either use your cellular data, but remember, if you have a limited plan, it's gonna use several gigabytes of storage of internet. So if you have a limited plan, instead of doing it like that, you can either connect to a different network that may be working, or you can do it through a computer if you download Apple Devices app on a Windows, or if you have a Mac, you'll find it in Finder. You just need to connect your phone to the computer, and in either Apple Devices on Windows or in Finder on Mac, you'll have your phone shown up, and you'll have an option to update. You'll need to update if there is an update available. If there is not, you still can update. So that's great. You can just do that. It'll refresh your system, and that may fix the issue. But if you are able to connect to a different network, or if you have unlimited plan for your cellular data, you can go to General, then go to Software Update, and if there is an update available, you should try installing it. It may fix some issues. The last thing to do is to reset network settings on your phone. So go to General, then slide down until you find Transfer or Reset, then Reset Network Settings, Reset Network Settings, and wait a moment. It's gonna forget your Wi-Fi networks, so get ready for it, that you may need to re-enter passwords for all your Wi-Fi networks. But this is the last thing that may help. and I think that it'll help. So you can just try doing it, and it should help. So after that, I'm just gonna reconnect to the Wi-Fi shortly. Okay, and now let's go to the settings. Let's go to now Wi-Fi, and now let's try connecting to network. And in most cases by now it'll be working. If it's still not working, then and you were able to update and it's still not working, there may be a problem with your Wi-Fi module. So you may want to visit an authorized Apple repair center, and they will fix it for you. Maybe it needs a replacement. Maybe they'll just restore your iPhone. Get ready for some data loss, so you may want to do some backup. For example, on your computer, if you can't connect to any internet, then you may need to do that. Also, contact with your internet carrier. Maybe there's a problem with your router. So also you may need to contact, actually you may want to contact them first before the Apple service. And yeah, they also, in an Apple service, they may need to restore your iPhone, so try backing it up with your computer. Also in Apple devices or in Finder on Mac, once you connect your iPhone and go into it, then you'll have an option to back it up. It'll just move all your data to the computer. So later on, after resetting the iPhone, if the Apple service decides on resetting your iPhone, you will be able to restore your backup from the computer. Just during the setup of the phone, you'll have an option to restore backup. It'll ask you for that, and you can select restore backup from computer and just do it. And it works and they may fix it like that, so that's great. And I think that these are all the things that I wanted to tell you. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.